Hey Science Team, just a quick tutorial on how to find your resources that you are going to be sharing with your students over the next few weeks. If you're in Canvas and you go to Dashboard, you should be able to scroll down and find your curriculum course tab for your subject. And once you're in there, you should see there's an announcement from Mr. Harvey that came out this morning at 9 a.m. You can go through, he's got a quick video and some other support resources there. If you'd like to schedule a meeting, virtual meeting, of course, with him, you can do it through there. But most importantly, on the left-hand side, if you click on the second tab that you see there, it should pop up with the three different big ideas. At least for chemistry, there's three. I believe it's 3 to 5 different big ideas that you're to cover over the next few weeks. So they are overall units. It should give you a little flexibility on what you're to cover, but I just wanted to give you just a quick tutorial on how to find those resources. Let me know if you have questions.